How to fix FLTMGR.SYS failed blue screen error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, run sfcndism command line tools. For this, click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. Now go to the video description to find some commands. You will find these commands there. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Wait until it is 100% completed. Then copy this command, DISM restore health, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then check if the BSOD is fixed. The next method is search and update device drivers. For this, right click on Start, select Device Manager. After Device Manager is on the screen, click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Now expand to check if any device has outdated drivers. Expand all the devices by clicking on the respective arrows. The outdated device has yellow color warning mark. So find in the list if anyone has yellow color warning mark. On my computer, no device has a yellow color warning mark. If any outdated device is showing on your computer, then right click on the device and select update driver. Click on close. Do the same with all outdated devices. Then close the device manager and restart your computer. Check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then run disk check. For this, click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. Then again go to the video description. In the video description, you will find this command. This is the command for disk checking. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Type Y and press enter. Then close the command prompt and restart your computer. During restarting, the disk will be thoroughly checked and show you a report. See if the problem is solved. If any methods don't work, then perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11, this link, scroll down and reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section. Click on this drop down, select download and select this option for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now you have to select the product language. If you don't know what is the product language of your system, then click on start, go to settings, click on time and language and click on language and region. Here you will find Windows display language. This is a product language. English United States for me. Check yours and select the same in this drop down. Click on confirm and click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. After the downloading is completed, go to the download location. Click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads. Right click on this ISO file you have just downloaded and select Mount. On this pop-up which says Open File Security Warning, click on Open. Right click on setup.exe, select Open. Uncheck this box. Checking this box will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. Click on Accept on this page. This process will save and preserve your files and folders, so nothing to worry about. Click on Install. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 will be installed again and the blue screen error FLTMGR.SYS would be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.